Henry Royce started an electrical and mechanical business. He made his first car, a two-cylinder Royce 10, in his Manchester factory in 1904. He was introduced to Charles Rolls at the Midland Hotel in Manchester on May 4th of that year. Rolls was a proprietor of an early motor car dealership, S.C. Rolls and Company. Rolls was impressed with the Royce 10, and in an agreement he agreed to take all the cars Royce could make. All would be badged as Rolls-Royces and be sold exclusively by Rolls. The first Rolls-Royce car, the Rolls-Royce 10 HP, was revealed at the Paris Salon in December 1904. Rolls-Royce Limited was formed on March 15, 1906. During 1906, Royce had been developing an improved six-cylinder model with more power than the 30 HP. Initially designated the 40/50 HP, this was the company's first all-new model. After the introduction of the Phantom model in 1925, this 40/50 model was referred to as the Silver Ghost. The new 40/50 model was responsible for the company's early reputation with over 6,000 built. In 1921, the company opened a secondary factory in Springfield, Massachusetts, in the United States. Due to high demand, where a further 1,700 Springfield Ghosts were built. This factory operated for 10 years, closing in 1931. Its chassis was used as a basis for the first British armored car used in both World Wars. After the First World War, Rolls-Royce faced falling sales of the 40/50 model. The company introduced a smaller, cheaper 20 model in 1922, effectively ending the one-model policy followed since 1908. In 1931, Rolls-Royce acquired a much smaller rival car maker, Bentley, after its finances failed to weather the Great Depression. In 1998, Vickers, the owner of Rolls-Royce, decided to sell Rolls-Royce Motors. The leading contenders were BMW and Volkswagen. BMW already supplied Rolls-Royce with internal combustion engines and other components for Rolls-Royce and Bentley cars, but Volkswagen outbid. After negotiations, BMW and Volkswagen Group arrived at a solution. BMW would have the Rolls-Royce name, and Volkswagen would have the Bentley name. The last Rolls-Royce from the Crewe factory, the Corinth, ceased production in 2002, at which time the Crewe factory became Bentley Motors Limited, and Rolls-Royce production was relocated to a new entity in Goodwood, England, known as Rolls-Royce Motors Cars.